Hello, good morning, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about my first encounter as a lawyer in court. I was in NYSC. I cannot forget. I served with a detachment of the Federal Ministry of Justice in Plateau State. I served in Jos. And so there was this matter that had been on for a while, and it was the Ministry of Justice that was handling it for the police force, because the police force is a federal parastatal, so their matters are handled by the Federal Ministry of Justice. Somebody sued Commissioner of Police, so I think he shot him in the leg or something like that. So I was to go to court, Commissioner of Police, the person against the Commissioner of Police and this officer. Now what happens is that typically in that kind of situation, the officer that is being sued along with Commissioner of Police will have been transferred out of state. So locating him is usually difficult. So the matter had been on since 1996, and this was 2003, 2004 that I went to court. So I went to court. I was before Justice Nimpa in High Court in Plateau State. So I got to court and I had heard a lot about the judge. They had told me who she was, they had told me everything. Thank God I had been told that of what she was going to do to me in 1996 matter in 2004, that they had made no headway. So I got to court and I saw, we sat down, matters were called, and then they called my matter. And then the claimant stood up and announced, I announced for Commissioner of Police. And then they said, okay, that where's my witness? And I said, we don't have the witness in court today, we are sorry. She said, you have been sorry for the past 3 years. People had started laughing because they knew she was going to shred me. You have been sorry for the past 3 years. And then I was saying, as the court pleases, that when do you intend to produce him in court? Of course, new week, they just gave me the file. There's hardly anything in the file. And new week, I didn't even know what to ask my boss I was going to go and say in court. I just took the file, looked through, I didn't know what to expect in court. So I just went. So when are you going to be ready with your witness? I said, and we're working on bringing him because he's out of state. She said, naturally, he'll be out of state. She said, have you read that file? I said, yes, my lord. She said, are you aware that the man there has been incapacitated? I said, yes. She said, since when? I looked at the file. I said, 1996. She said, counsel, where were you in 1996? Even me, I wanted to laugh. I couldn't laugh. Oh. She would have thrown me the headbutt. She said, counsel, I'm asking you a question. Where were you in 1996 when that man stopped being able to pay the bills of his family? I said, I was in SS2. She said, so in May 1996, you were in SS2. And this man, assuming he was your father, would not have been able to pay your school fees from that time till now. Would you be where you are today? I said, no, my lord. And counsel were shouting, as the court pleases, as the court pleases. Well, she said everything she was going to say. But alas, it's not my case. New week, my first time in court. At the end of the day, she had to adjourn. She adjourned the matter. But that was my baptism into litigation. That is why, no matter how complex the case, I'm willing to go before any judge, because I'm not sure your shredding will be worse than that baptism I got the first time I appeared before a court. Some of my experiences along my practice years as a lawyer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care and remember to continue watching. A surprise waits for you at the end. Have a great day. Bye.